Good morning, guys, and welcome back. I am taking this Salvage window. I believe I bought this one, and there you can find these on Facebook Marketplace. People usually sell them, and I think they're worth every penny. They're usually around like between $5 and $10. Sometimes people give them away, and sometimes you find them on the side of the road. I'm going to be working on the back side, and you can see that this is a mess, but that's not a problem. That's why they got rid of these windows. Most of them will be a mess. There's chipping. I'll just be careful. Sometimes it falls into your work, but I can work around that. And I'm going to show you how I turned this into what I think is just the prettiest little wall hanging with lights in the back of it, using some lace, using a really pretty napkin. So one thing that you might be questioning me about as the video goes on is you will notice I am not using decoupage glue. I am using a matte medium. And I will tell you why I am using that and why I recommend you also use that if you're going to do this project. If you've ever decoupaged on glass before, especially reverse decoupage, which is in essence what we're doing here because we're working on the back so that it shows through on the front, it can look like you have wet spots on your decoupage. And I don't know why matte decoupage glue, glossy decoupage glue, satin decoupage glue can all do that. And I've tried all different brands, but for some reason, this matte medium that I'm using by DecoArt does not do that at all. So I'm going to put the video to music and let you follow along. All I'm doing right here is just cutting strips of the lace because I found that to be the easiest way to decoupage. And again, I'll be using the matte medium. I'm cutting the strips before I decoupage the napkin on here, but we will be doing the napkin decoupage first. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for subscribing. I read all of your comments. Thank you so much. I am still working on adding things to my Amazon store, so the link is down below for that. If you need me to add anything, let me know, and I'll make it easy for you. If you go to my store and you can't find what you're looking for, just enter it in the search and it will pop right up. And also, I'll remind you about my ebook, Successful Decoupage Every Time. And the reason that I wrote that is because there are links in an ebook. So I describe the process and then I'll tell you to go to this link to watch what I'm talking about. And I have answers to the most common questions that I've gotten over the last 10 years in there. So you're probably going to find the answer to your question in there. Other than that, you can follow me on Instagram, also patioelf, Patioelf as in Frank. I'm on Pinterest. I'm here on YouTube, and I'm on Facebook. That page is called Upcycle with Decoupage, but it will soon be changed to patioelf also. Okay, guys, now on to our video.